The gypsum board production line is a high automatic, specialized equipment for flow line production. The initial setting is completed on the Whiteboard coagulation belt through cutting, drying, edge wrapping, pelletizing, and packaging. A thorough production of gypsum board is completed. The first part, paper supply system of gypsum board production line, adopts air shafts and magnetic powder pneumatic brake, electro-hydraulic automatic deviation correction machine, and automatic scoring machine. It can reduce the offset error of the protective paper, guarantee the appearance of gypsum board, and stable running of the production line. The second part, gypsum board production line forming system. The gypsum slurry is vibrated while running continuously and enter the extrusion gypsum board forming system. Then laminate with protective paper and extruded to a continuous pulp surface gypsum board. And the pneumatic plate type forming machine will extrude and form the required gypsum board. The third part, Whiteboard system of gypsum board production line. Formed gypsum board is completed initial setting on the coagulation belt. Initial setting finish time is about 4 to 5 minutes. The production line length is determined by the output. The belt adopts the best domestic brand. The drive roller is straightened by the straightening equipment. Runout less than 0.3 mm. The drive roller is made of stainless steel material, increase heat dissipation for gypsum board. The cutting machine adopts the German SEW servo motors. The cutting deviation is less than 2 mm. Blade adopts automatic cleaning system. Gypsum board after cutting goes through accelerating belt and enter into number 1 transverse machine. Then turn and flip to ensure the cleanness of the gypsum board front and the bond of glued paper. Then, through the close-up roller table, the board will be distributed by the distributor, then enter into drying machine. The fourth part, drying system of gypsum board production line. Gypsum board in each temperature zone of the dryer is under strict control. Injected hot air at different temperatures keep evaporating the moisture out of wet board. Starch migrates to bond gypsum board and protective paper together. The dryer is divided into 2 to 3 zones according to the output. Each zone has a jet section and a suction section. It can blow heat to each floor. Zone 1, headwind. Zone 2 and 3 are downwind. It is to make sure the temperature curve for drying the gypsum board. Process parameters are easy to control. The gypsum board production line usually adopts burner direct heating as the heating source. The fuel is burned directly to heat clean air. After the hot air is formed, the fan will send it to the inside of the dryer to complete the drying process. In this way, thermal efficiency increases 10 to 20%. Also greatly reduce the operating and maintenance costs. And direct burning is relatively clean, good for the environment. The fifth part, the edge wrapping and pelletizing system of the gypsum board production line. Through the board output unit, the dried gypsum board enters into the number 2 horizontal system. This system is used for edge sawing and edge wrapping of gypsum board after turning them. It adopts automatic length fixing and edge wrapping system, reduces the cost of a gypsum board, and increases the production efficiency. Gypsum board goes through conveyor into the automatic pelletizer. The load-bearing capacity of the pelletizer is 5 tons. Quick rise 150 mm per second and 200 mm per second for quick fall. Meet the requirements of different customers. The last part, packaging system of gypsum board production line. The packaging machine automatically inserts the plaster blocker. And binds and fixes by the strapping machine. Then, the finished gypsum boards after packaging will be sent to the finished product warehouse or sale directly.